In this video, I will tell you how we do mistake in our learning of English journey. We also want to speak like a native speaker. We also want to speak confidently. But what happened with us means we can't speak fluently. If I say about myself, for 4 years I am in this field, but still now I also have a problem. I am also struggling. What is my mistake? Did I not work hard? Did I not follow the rule? Yes, I did everything, but I didn't do something good things. I didn't apply correct method. For this reason, I am also feeling struggle in my life. But now I got the reality. Actually, what should I do and what should I not do? Actually, we want to speak in our day-to-day life. We also want to speak confidently. If someone asks some question, we also want to reply him very clearly and smoothly. So what is the problem? Why did we not do these things? What is the reason? We read also, we write also, we listen a lot also, we practice a one-to-one a lot also. But we also escaped a major things from our journey. For this reason, we also doing we also facing same problem. But when I got the reality, when I got the real mistake, so I should share with you and I should apply these things in my life. Means we never try to first mistake we did means we try to just first mistake we did means we try to consume lots of content, but we never try to focus one thing. Means first of all we have to means master our basic sentences, because we can speak our mother tongue fluently, because we listen same proper sentence unlimited time, we speak unlimited time. That's reason our brain does not need to practice, and when need our brain can our brain can replay this sentence very clearly, because our brain remember these things whatever we listen repeatedly and whatever we use and speak repeatedly. But we did same mistake in our journey of English. We never try to we never try to make a list of sentences actually we need our day-to-day life. For example, I have a problem whenever I want to make formation of question pattern. Whenever I want to ask some question, so sometime I also have issues, because I just know the rule, but I didn't practice this sentence means multiple time. So for this reason I feel hesitation whenever I want to speak. That time I get problem, and then I feel very bad. But this is the real problem. Means make a list and write the all sentences actually what you need to ask day to day in your life, because you don't need much more. When you will learn basic English and correctly and confidently, that time you will be able to speak clearly. That time you will not feel hesitation. That time you will not feel fear. Because what is the reason of fear? Reason of fear means if I make mistake during our conversation, so what he will think about myself. But there is a wisdom. Be prepared, be strong yourself before facing this problem. When you will write your basic sentences, then definitely you will be able. But there is a question, from where should I start? Because every single day we take food, it is need, and everyone have a unlimited food, but we take food according to our need. We don't take consume lots of food in a one day. Same, English is a skill and journey. It is not a rule or formula. Okay, you learn and this few formula. After that, you don't need to practice. You don't need to learn, because we are Indian. We don't have an environment of proper English. So we have to learn it for a long time. But I am talking about this present day. Means take one topic, and about this topic write sentences. Means what, ask to yourself, actually what type of sentences do we use regarding this topic. For example, this is my skill, and when will I ask question to myself, okay, what type of sentences I use about regarding this skill day to day life. So we say this is my skill, and I use whenever I want to make a line. Sometimes we say who took my skill, and sometimes we ask where, from where did you buy this skill. Yeah, you will, maybe you also ask to your friend what is the price of this skill. And we also say multiple time, means please give me your skill, make a line. So write all sentences and don't feel hurry, and take time about this one topic and write multiple sentences regarding this topic. When you will write sentences, after that it is not enough. Write and practice unlimited time, because you want to speak fluently, you want to remove your hesitation. There is no another option to removing hesitation. Yes, if you say about myself, I did practice with 1 to 1 person per day 6 hours, but from that type of practice I could not become a fluent speaker, because your personal practice depend on your talking. That time we talk each other, that time our brain can't focus our sentences, because that time we also share our emotion and knowledge. So that time your brain can't focus. But when you focus on your personal practice, and when you write sentences about topics, and when you do practice and unlimited time, so day by day, by repetition, your brain consume this sentence and your brain gain confidence, my dear friend. So this is one tool, you can use it, and remove your hesitation and solve your problem. Really, today I am very happy and I am really lucky, because for a long time just I am cursing myself. Why? Means I gave lots of time. I am also doing practice. I know the rule and regulation about English. But why am I not able to speak fluently? This is the problem, because I didn't practice as per topic wise, and I didn't gain mastery on the sentences. Because whenever I want to talk with people, that time I try to frame the sentence. So when I try to frame the sentence, so that sometime I am correct, sometime I make. So kill this habit. Before going the field, do lots of practice as like a gamer, because gamer play in a field, but they learn how to play in behind the field. The same way, means when you will find when you will find option for speaking, that time you will speak. But before this session, prepare yourself by your personal effort and hard work. And when you will apply this method, definitely I believe it will give you good clarification, it will boost your English level, and it will give you confidence, and you will become a natural speaker. So, and tomorrow we'll come with a new topic, and from tomorrow we are going to start a new series. Means every single day I will take one or two topics, and regarding this topic I will practice and I will share with you my sentences. So I hope that type of video will give you benefit, you also, me also. So for today, thank you, and inshallah ta'ala, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.